Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get more dice for the Qixi Fair event in Heartopia. Hopefully I said that correctly. If not, I am so sorry, but I've been trying my best, you guys. So let's first start here, and as you can see, I need more dice to roll. You can either exchange it with some heart diamonds, but let's see. We can also get it from current quests. We can spend a total of 20,000 gold, 50,000 gold, collect a total of 8 roaming oak timber, and some fluorites. You can also complete any event personal goals 3 times in total, and you'll get some dies, basically. You also get it every single day. You get 1 per day, I believe. And then you also get it from completing daily quests. Again, you get 1 per daily quest. So around 5 each day. I'm out of breath. I'm so sorry. But yeah, that is how you can get more dies for the event. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!